All right, I asked myself, what do we do with leftover corned beef from the crock pot? And by the way, happy belated St. Patty's Day. Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with TGG. You know what I think we should do? We should make some air fried Reubens. Let's go take a look. So this is a Grovels, Grovels.
Right.
Grovels manufactured corned beef.
Right.
That you guys had to cook in the crock pot from fresh, right?
Yes, we did.
So this was from scratch and fresh.
Okay, listen to me.
I'm doing leftover Grovels corned beef, air fried Reuben, less the Thousand Island that I should have had.
Oh yeah. Okay, let me tell you though. We were at Sam's.
Sam's,
okay?
got it.
Yeah. And I was.
All right, so you guys heard it. It's a Grovel, Grovel, Grovel corned beef. Local restaurant swears by them. And it looks, I mean, this is a solid piece of meat. Not a lot of fat throughout that meat. So first thing we're going to do is take one leftover Grovel's corned beef, and we're going to slice it and dice it. My goodness, I hope you guys enjoyed your St. Patrick's Day. Because this looks unreal. Look at that. Look at that corned beef. It's just piling up beautifully. All right, so in the beginning there I got a little hasty, but towards the end I really want to do some thinner slices of that corned beef for our sandwiches. So there you go. You're going to take a little bit of your corned beef sliced up, and let's start our sandwiches. All right, you got to have your Schwebels. This is the Hearthside Hearth-Baked Jewish Rye. This stuff with seeds is just a bomb, and this is what we're going to use. Here's the secret Hellmann's. If you guys don't use Hellmann's, it's not real mayonnaise. Real mayonnaise, Hellmann's, got to use this. That's what we're going to use for the outside to moisten up our rye. Nice secret, it browns up well in the air fryer. Let's get some mayo on that baby. Like the sound effects? Get a little mayo on that thing. So what's going to happen, folks, is that is going to brown very nice. It's a fat, right? So you're putting, instead of spray pan or something like that, you're going to take some mayo, and it's really going to make this rye crispy and really tasty, actually. Don't be shy with the mayo. Don't be shy with the mayo. I wish I had my voice I'd sing to you guys today, because I really am in a good mood. I don't know, maybe I had too much green vodka for St. Patty's Day. Eh? There's that Canadian. All right, of course, you guys know it's the GoWISE 7-quart air fryer. If you guys didn't check out GoWISE, you have to. It's simple, it's easy, they're beautiful. This is 7-quart. It's got the main tray right there. It comes with one pan or tray liner right here with the rubber stops on the end. Drop that sucker down in the pan, drop the sandwiches in, and you are good to go. I'm not sponsored, by the way, but someday it would be nice if you wanted to, GoWISE. All right, let's put them in the old air fryer.
He ate the sandwich?
All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to turn this on. I did not preheat this for sandwiches, but we are going to go 375, and we are going to go for, we're going to go 11 minutes at 375. We're going to hit start. And of course, with all air frying, you're going to pull it out halfway through, check it out, and flip it over. And of course, for the sides, there's some leftover from our last night's meal as well. You got to add some carrots and some cabbage and some potatoes with that meal. All right, so the thing turned 6 a minute ago, or seconds ago. So we're probably 5.5 minutes into the cooking time of 11 minutes at 375. Let's take a look, see what she looks like on the top. Woo! On the top. Tell you what, I'm going to give that, literally, I'm going to give that thing to 4 minutes, and I'm going to flip it. We are down to 1 minute, and I just can't wait. I'm in antsy pants. Oh my goodness, look at that. What do you think, folks? Let's check it out. I think that's gorgeous. My wife likes them a little bit not so crunchy, but we're done. So that's a total of 10 minutes at 375. Let's pull these things out and take a look. Oh boy. Look at that. Folks, there is your Reuben. And I mean, that, my friends, and even the one that I sort of ruined, didn't ruin, I never ruined a Reuben. Look at that. All right, there it is, folks. There is the Reuben in the air fryer. Just like being in a frying pan with some potatoes and carrots from last night's meal. Let's take a bite of this thing and see what you think. All right, let's take a bite of this thing, see what it tastes like in the air fryer. It's absolutely beautiful. Corned beef is moist, it's warm, cheese is melted perfect, the sauerkraut is cooked and warm all the way through. Again, that was $3.75 in my air fryer. It's a 7-quart GoWISE, and it's juicy as can be. See the drip? The sauerkraut juice, and I think the key is the mayo. If you don't want it as, forget it. Put as much as I put on there of the mayo on the outside of the bread. So that gives it flavor, and is it moist? You don't need anything on this. Nothing. Get to using your air fryer. Use your leftovers. Make it happen. Cook fresh, cook often, and keep cooking with TGG.